Hello everyone, and let us move to the next section of Maths Live channel. Here, on the demand of you, I am going to solve few problems on vector identities. So here, the first example which we are going to solve is prove that del cross a bar cross r bar upon r cube is equal to 3 into a bar dot r bar upon r raised to 5 into r bar minus a bar upon r cube. So this step we have to prove. These identities we have to prove. For that what I required? The required things are, I required this formula del cross phi u bar. Everybody knows this formula, del cross phi u bar is equal to del phi cross u bar plus phi into del cross u bar, right? Then second thing I required a bar cross b bar cross c bar. This one, a bar cross b bar cross c bar is equal to a bar dot c bar, मधला सोडून द्यायचा, नंतर तो मल्टिप्लाय करायचा, ए बार डॉट सी बार इंटू बी बार मायनस, आता बी बार पासून सुरू करा, बी बार डॉट ए बार इंटू सी बार, right? Then del dot a bar into r bar is equal to a bar. Then del dot r bar is 3, we know that. Then del r is r bar upon r. So all these concept we have to use. These are the things which we have required to solve the problem. Now let us consider the problem. Here LHS is, this is our LHS, you may call del cross bracket a bar cross r bar upon r cube. This term I write r raised to minus 3 into a bar cross r bar, this one. 1 upon r cube we write r raised to minus 3, remaining term as it is, a bar cross r bar, del cross r bar as it is. So I get here del cross r raised to minus 3 a bar cross r bar. In the next step, use our first identity here. What is our first identity? What is our first identity? Del cross phi u bar, del cross phi u bar is equal to del phi cross u bar plus phi into del cross u bar. Use this identity. So what I get here? What is my phi and what is my u bar? So phi is equal to r raised to minus 3, right? And what is my u bar? U bar is a bar cross r bar. So this term is u bar and this term is our phi. Okay, now do the calculation. So here del phi means del of r raised to minus 3 cross a bar cross r bar plus r raised to minus 3 as it is del cross a bar cross r bar. Understood this step? Now what is the derivative of r raised to minus 3? Derivative of r raised to minus 3 is minus 3 r raised to minus 3 minus 1, means minus 3 r raised to minus 4. Correct? And into derivative of r is del r, or you may write directly r bar upon r. If you write directly r bar upon r, then it is well and good. Because using our del of f of r. Del of f of r is f dash of r. Yes, have you remember? F dash of r into r bar upon r. So like that, f of r is our r raised to minus 3, its derivative is minus 3 r raised to minus 4 into r bar upon r. Correct? This step, you may get this step directly, right? Plus, now here r raised to minus 3 as it is. Del cross a bar cross r bar, there are two cross products are there. Means we can write in terms of dot. Correct? So how I write in terms of dot? Our a bar dot a bar cross b bar cross c bar formula. Start with del. Del मधला सोडून द्यायचा, del dot r bar, del dot r bar into जो सोडलाय तो मल्टिप्लाय करायचा into a bar मायनस आता a bar पासून सुरू करा, a bar dot del, a bar dot del into r bar. Understood? Now what is del dot r bar? Del dot r bar is 3 and a bar dot del into r bar is 2. So here 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay. So here 3 a bar. Then here this is 1 means a bar. A bar is constant. This value is A bar. If you seen vector identities, then we have proved it. This value is A bar. So 3A bar minus A bar, it is 2A bar. And first term is our, as usual, del R bar upon R we have written. Now in this step, if you observe carefully, here minus 3 r raised to minus 4 upon r, it becomes minus 3 upon r raised to 5, right? Raised to 4 we transfer to denominator, खाली घेतला 5 झाला. Okay, now what remain here? R bar into means R bar cross A bar cross R bar. Now again use the formula A bar cross B bar cross C bar. Use this formula. What I get? Yes, use this formula. What I get? I get, start with R bar dot this R bar into A bar minus, start with A bar dot R bar into R bar. Understood? Plus this 3A bar minus A bar, it is 2A bar, because value of this, it is 3A bar minus this one is A bar. Correct? So we get this term. Next, minus 3 upon r raised to 5 as it is. R bar dot R bar, it is R square. So R square A bar minus this A bar dot R bar into R bar, keep as it is. Then 2A bar upon R cube. Simplify this. R square and r raised to minus 5. What remain? R cube. So here minus sign. Minus 3A bar upon R cube plus 3 minus minus plus. Okay. 3A bar dot R bar into R bar upon R raised to 5 plus 2A bar upon R cube. If you simplify, you will get the final answer. So 3 into positive term, write down the first, 3A bar minus 3A bar plus 2A bar, it becomes A bar. So this is your required identity. Okay. Now turn towards one more example so that you get the concept completely. Here I have choose the example del of, I think maybe your third, fourth example you can check in your practice questions. Del of 1 upon r. First find this del of 1 upon r. So consider del of 1 upon r. What is derivative of 1 upon r? Minus 1 upon r square. So minus 1 upon r square into derivative of r is r bar upon r. Right? So here minus 1 upon r square into r bar upon r. What I get? Minus r bar upon r cube. Minus r bar upon r cube. Now what is the multiplication here? It is multiplied by A bar. So multiply by A bar. So A bar into this one. A bar into del of 1 upon r is equal to minus A bar dot r bar upon r cube. A bar dot r bar upon r cube. Now operate del on this. So here del of A bar dot A bar del dot A bar dot del of 1 upon r is equal to minus del of, transfer this r raised to minus 3 to numerator, r cube at the denominator, transfer to numerator, it becomes r raised to minus 3 A bar dot r bar. Understood? Now use the formula del dot phi u bar. Everybody knows del dot phi u bar is del phi dot u bar plus phi into del dot u bar. Now memorize this formula. So many times we repeated it in each and every identities. So use this. Del dot phi u bar is equal to, yes, say with me, del phi dot u bar plus phi into del dot u bar. So my phi is, what is my phi here? R raised to minus 3. And remaining part is my u bar. So here minus as outside del phi. Del phi means del of r raised to minus 3. A bar dot r bar as it is plus r raised to minus 3 as it is del dot A bar dot r bar. Now what is value of del dot A bar dot r bar? We have proved it. What is value of del dot A bar dot r bar? It is A bar. Right? So value of this term, it is A bar, r raised to minus 3 as it is. Here what is derivative of del of r raised to minus 3? Minus 3 r raised to minus 4 into r bar upon r. Right? So this is our answer. If you simplify it, you will get the required answer. Right? Understood it? Now turn towards the next example. Again here also we are going to use the same concept. here we have to prove that del cross r bar cross a bar cross r bar is equal to 3 into r bar cross a bar. So here you can check, this is my first vector, this is my second vector, and this is the third vector, right? So can I write this a bar cross in bracket b bar cross c bar? Understood? A bar cross b bar cross c bar means my a bar is del, b bar is r bar, and c bar is a bar cross r bar. Now use our formula, usual formula, a bar cross b bar cross c bar is equal to a bar dot c bar into b bar minus b bar dot a bar into c bar. Use that formula and write down the answer. So del dot, here a bar dot c bar, del dot a bar cross r bar into r bar minus b bar dot a bar means r bar dot del into a bar cross r bar as it is. Okay, now at this point del dot a bar cross r bar, use this formula, del dot u bar cross v bar. So many times we have to use this, del dot u bar cross v bar is equal to, yes, v bar into del cross u bar minus u bar into del cross v bar. So here del, in place of del as it is there, in place of u bar there is a bar, and in place of v bar there is r bar. Use the formula. So what is our formula here? R bar, in place of v bar there is r bar, so r bar dot del cross a bar minus a bar dot del cross r bar, right, and into r bar as it is, right. What is del dot r bar? Del dot r bar is, yes, it is 3. Substitute here, so 3 a bar cross r bar. Okay, now del cross any constant vector, del cross any constant vector is 0, del cross r bar is also 0, so del cross a bar is 0, del cross r bar is 0, so our first answer is 0, correct, minus 3 into a bar cross r bar, correct. Now here 3 into a bar cross r bar, that a bar cross r bar we can write it as minus r bar cross a bar, right. So this is our answer. Now let us see the next example. Have you understood all three? Now turn towards the fourth example. It is just for simplicity and the flow is there, so we solve this one also. See, del of r bar upon r square, this term, del of r bar upon r square, we can write that del of, first inside term we have to simplify. In fact, what is our question here? Del square of in bracket del of r bar upon r square is equal to 2 upon r raised to 4. So take inside term, del of r bar upon r square, that I can write r raised to minus 2 into r bar, del of r raised to minus 2 into r bar. So this is my phi and this is u bar. So del of r raised to minus 2 dot r bar plus r raised to minus 2 as it is del dot r bar. Now del dot r bar is 3, correct, del dot r bar is 3. So this is there. And what is derivative of r raised to minus 2? Minus 2 r raised to minus 3 into r bar upon r. So that is there. And what is r bar dot r bar? It is r square. So do the calculation. Complete your answer. So here I get 1 upon r square is the function. Correct? I call this function as f of r. Now you may think, why I call this function as f of r? Because I have to find del square. And we know one formula. Del square of f of r is equal to f double dash of r plus 2 upon r f dash of r. This formula we know. Apply that formula here. So del square of 1 upon r square. 1 upon r square is our f of r. Find its two derivatives. First one is f dash of r. What is derivative of r raised to 1 upon r square? 1 upon r square I write r raised to minus 2. What is derivative of r raised to minus 2? Minus 2 r raised to minus 3. So here minus 2 upon r cube. Again r raised to minus 3. Its derivative if I take 6 r raised to minus 4. So 6 upon r raised to 4. So all derivatives are there. and use this formula. Del square of f of r is equal to f double dash of r plus 2 upon r f dash of r. Put the values 6 upon r raised to 4 plus 2 upon r in bracket minus 2 upon r cube. If you simplify, you will get 2 upon r raised to 4. This is the value of del square of 1 upon r square. But del square of 1 upon r square is what? Yes, del square of 1 upon r square is what? It is nothing but del square of del r bar upon r square. So this is our answer, 2 upon r raised to 4. Now the next part we are going to solve. Show that our question is, show that f bar is equal to a bar cross r bar upon r raised to n is solenoidal. We have to show that it is solenoidal. What is meant by solenoidal? Del dot f bar equal to 0. Right? Dot product with f bar del is equal to 0. Del dot f bar is 0. Then the vector field is solenoidal. So take that del dot a bar cross r bar upon r raised to n. So this term, instead of writing r raised to minus n and simplifying that way, what we do, we take a bar as a constant vector. This a bar is a constant vector. So I can write that a bar cross r bar upon r raised to n. We write a bar cross r bar upon r raised to n. So like this. Okay. A bar cross r bar upon r raised to n. And use our formula. Which is our formula here? We are going to use del dot u bar cross v bar is equal to, yes, v bar into del cross u bar minus u bar into del cross v bar. Just write with me so that you can understand the concept. So here u bar is a bar and v bar is r bar upon r raised to n. So r bar upon r raised to n del cross a bar plus a bar dot del cross r bar upon r raised to n. So a del cross a bar, cross product with any constant vector is 0. A bar as it is, del cross this r bar upon r raised to n, we can write r raised to minus n into r bar. This step. Correct? Now use del cross phi u bar. Del cross phi u bar. You know this, del cross phi u bar. What is that? Del phi cross u bar plus phi into del cross u bar. So tell me, what will you get? Here, del of r raised to minus n cross r bar plus r raised to minus n del cross r bar. Now again del cross r bar is 0. And here, if I write here minus n r raised to minus n minus 1 r bar upon r, okay, and cross product with again this r bar cross r bar, cross product of same vector is 0. So our answer is 0. Means we get that here f bar is equal to a bar cross r bar upon r raised to n is solenoidal vector. Let us turn towards the last example of this session. Show that f bar is equal to 1 upon r. F bar is equal to 1 upon r in bracket r square a bar plus a bar dot r bar into r bar is irrotational. Hence find scalar function phi. Now for irrotational, we have to show del cross f bar equal to 0. And generally we use determinant method. But what's happened here? There is no xyz given, so we can directly solve it. We take del cross f bar. So del cross r a, multiply this 1 upon r inside the bracket. So I get r a bar plus a bar dot r bar upon r. Clearly. So this is our f bar. Now use your del cross, separate here from this plus sign, make two parts. Del cross r a bar plus del cross a bar dot r bar upon r, a bar dot r bar into r bar upon r. So this is your two parts. Now first we take first part and use del cross phi u bar. Yes, everybody do yourself. Here also del cross phi u bar. So this is your phi and this is your u bar. You may decide and do it and show that it is 0. I will show you how to find phi. Now to find phi, I have to take, because there is no xyz here, so integration formula is not applicable, right? So instead of that, what we do, we just take d phi is equal to f bar dot dr bar, this concept. So here f bar is given r a bar plus a bar dot r bar upon r dot r dr bar. Again multiply that dot dr bar inside the bracket. So I get r a bar here r a bar dot dr bar plus a bar dot r bar into r bar dot dr bar divided by r. So I get here this term r bar dot dr bar is equal to r dr. How we are going to prove it? Very simple. Just take r bar dot r bar is r square and take the derivative. R bar as it is, derivative of r bar is dr bar plus dr bar as it is, dot as it is, and derivative of this r bar is dr bar. So here 2 times r bar dot dr bar is equal to 2 times r dr. Correct? 2 get cancelled. I get r bar dot dr bar is equal to r dr. Correct? Use that here. I get r dr, 1 r get cancelled. This step r d of a bar dot r bar plus a bar dot r bar into dr. This term I can write. See, if you observe r as it is derivative of a bar dot r bar. Now a bar dot r bar as it is derivative of r. So it is u into v rule. So I can write derivative of r into a bar dot r bar. So d phi is equal to derivative, both side dd get cancelled. I get phi is equal to, yes, I get phi, value of phi is equal to r into a bar dot r bar plus constant c. So we stop here. If you have any difficulty, then you can ask me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.